In 1980, Dr. Mavis Gilmore, the Caribbean's first woman surgeon specialist, was appointed Minister of Education. To increase the school enrollment of children from low-income households, she sought inspiration from the Philippine school feeding program. By 1984, the modern-day Nutribon program was implemented in Jamaican public schools. Known for its Bulla and pink milk, the program was very popular. And with nutrition production company producing the products, a reported 600,000 Jamaicans benefited. But the program had problems. Teachers complained that distributing the meal took away from teaching, while some said they had additional work they were not getting paid for. Then, wanting to distance themselves from its association with the lower class, some students refused the meals. In rural Jamaica, lack of proper roads created logistics issues, so by the time the milk was delivered at the schools, it was spoiled. To this, bag juice replaced pink milk. This created more issues as now students' sugar levels also increased. It also did not help that nutritional data was not printed on any of these products. This became a concern for many parents, school officials, and nutrition experts. Then there was the corruption. There were incidents of the ministry distributing X amount of Bulla and milk, but when it reached the schools, it was less than that. Then some schools would even jack up the prices. In 2012, when students were to pay $2 for a package of one Bulla and one pink milk, the schools would charge $3 or $4. Some schools even held on to products to sell to adults, where they could make an even bigger profit. With these issues, by 2018, then Education Minister Rural Reid announced that the ministry would be discontinuing Bulla from the Nutribon program. By 2021, the distribution of Bulla and pink milk officially ended in Jamaica's schools.